Hey guys, first let me start off by introducing my giveaways at 500 subscribers. Alright, I'm giving away paparazzi jewelry. I'm giving away two beautiful necklaces, beautiful purple and silver necklace, so beautiful matching earrings, and this doesn't turn your neck green at all. It's really inexpensive. It's like $5 each, and this ring that goes with the necklace, purple and silver as well, by Heather C. Holland. Also, this gold one, we call her Dangles. Dangles. Come on now, Dangles. Dangles has matching earrings, and it has dangles on at each end, each spectrum. Yes, and that's by Heather C. Holland, and I'll put the description down below. Paparazzi jewelry at 500 subscribers. Alright, that's that first giveaway. And the next one is Laid Edges by Yassy Mendez. This stuff smells so good, and it lays your hair to the gods, honey. So I'm giving it away for free at 500 subscribers. So it comes with this cute little pink pouch, really cute. You can put your little laid edges. She also has travel packs, so I might buy one just to give away, just because when you travel on a plane by Yassy Mendez, I'll put her description down below as well. These are my giveaways, y'all. Please like and subscribe to my channel and comment below and turn your notifications on. Alright guys, welcome to this cooking on a budget with Stephanie Nicole, Life of a Budget Queen. That is me. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. And also, when you comment, make sure you put new subby. That's how I know that you're new, and you can enter in the giveaway for free, honey. The giveaways. So these are my ingredients that I'm using for today. Let's get started. Oh yeah, I got the fruit too. Gotta have your fruit for breakfast. This is gonna be a breakfast meal. Okay, gotta get your pan started on the stove. First, I like adding some butter. Some people like adding olive oil or some things, but I like starting with butter. I'm just opening the butter right now and putting it in the pan. Now, you guys, I always use a non-stick pan because it's just easier. Like, you don't want your food sticking to the pan at all, especially when you got to wash it at the end. And you have to wash your pans in between. Sometimes you use the same pan. And you have to wash it, and it just makes it so much easier. Live life smart, not hard. You feel me? All right, I'm adding in the butter. Adding in the butter. Yes, for the butter. And then I already mixed my eggs, so I'm adding the egg mix. I'm just letting it sit for a little bit. I like my eggs hard, but not too hard. I don't know about y'all. Comment below and let me know how y'all like y'all eggs. You like them watery, you like them medium, or you like them hard or sunny-sided. And I use some paprika for seasoning. Also some black pepper. And then some salt. Simple. Simple as that. Yes, auntie, let's get this breakfast started. You can also put breakfast for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I love for dinner, especially when you have like a little craving. You like, ooh, I want me to go egg sandwich. Cook you that egg sandwich, sis. Cook you that egg sandwich. Sisters and brodies, make sure your cravings are met. So I'm just letting the eggs cook. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. I'm excited. And all these products I got from Walmart, very inexpensive. I feel like you don't have to buy expensive things to cook. You can also do a lot for a family of 5, family of 10. Oh yeah, I ran out of hot sauce. I had to use my Popeyes hot sauce. Don't laugh at me. That's real ghetto, but oh well. I save everything, even my little hot sauce packets. Okay. Yeah. Can't be running back and forth to the store like that. I'm one of them customers that say, give me extra ketchup packets and give me extra hot sauce packets. Especially when I go to Taco Bell, I'm like, give me extra fire sauce. Sure, gotta save it for later. Ooh. Child of God, gotta save that. I'm mixing everything in. Y'all can laugh at me, because I laugh at me all day, every day. All right, so I'm mixing everything in. I love me some eggs. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, turn those notification buttons on. Keep them on. Press all, click all. Yes, let me know that you did it for the next subjects. Okay, those were the eggs. They ready. Now I'm getting ready to cook the sausages. I got the great value from Walmart. Premium sausages, that's the cheapest kind, and they feel good. You don't have to get Jimmy Dean sausages all the time. Even though I love me some good Jimmy Dean sausages. I really do. I'll wait till I go to my parents' house and let them cook them. No need for me to be spending expensive money on sausages. You feel me? Ooh, they're gonna be so good too. Be careful with sausages because they can get black quick. All right. I'm trying to tell you, they can burn quick. So make sure you keep flipping them, flip them bad boys. Check them, keep checking them, because you can be like, sis, that came out burnt, sis. Oh well, they still good. I like my sausage a little burnt. Nothing wrong with that. Period. Yes, I get so excited when I cook. Yes, for the sausages. Yeah. Yes. I'm having a little trouble flipping them though. Ooh, get it together, sister girl. Ooh. I'm adding a little butter. I love butter. I don't know about y'all. Comment below if y'all like butter. I love me some butter. This music make me want to do a praise dance. It's Sunday too. Did y'all go to church today? Your girl did, and I had to work last night. I wasn't even thinking about no church. Everything was hurting. My back was hurting. Everything. So they're cooking now. I'm steady checking them. They take kind of a while to cook, so you got to be very patient with these sausages. Unless you buy the already cooked sausages, just heat them bad boys up in the microwave and you're good to go. It's a process, but they are so good when they come out. I go, checking them again. And that's what they look like when they're almost ready. Alright, I am starting with the bacon. I got microwavable bacon. So much easier. I don't like that smell of bacon when you're cooking it. Ew, make me sick. Take the bacon, put the bacon in for like a minute, take it out. It's ready. A little trouble taking it out. And I like my bacon crispy. I don't know about y'all. I like my bacon super crispy, actually. And that's that. The bacon is ready. Now I'm doing the grits, instant grits. Y'all work smart, not hard. I don't like to be slaving over the stove or looking over grits, watching the grits. Having some trouble with the butter, but that's okay. It's still gonna get out. And this is the finished product. Yes, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think of my video, my breakfast video. Yes, I didn't have mimosas today, but that's okay. And my banana bread. Got to have my banana bread. I got that from Denae Lynn. Thanks, Denae. Thank you, girl. Thanks for watching.